Welcome to JB Lessons. I'm JB, and there comes a time in every musician's life when someone asks you, can you play Happy Birthday? Today I'm going to show you how. For anyone that actually doesn't know the song. Before we get into the lesson, please do open the description, download the music. If you're not sure about reading tab, have a look at this video, and if you're enjoying the videos that I'm making, please do subscribe and click the bell so you'll know whenever there's new videos. I'm trying to do these every 2 weeks without fail. This is another song that's in 3/4, which is your waltz time, so it's going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it starts on beat 3. With an open C string, so you're going to get 1, 2, happy, and that's your first 2 notes there. So I've got open C twice, and then fret 2, then open string again. Then we need to go to the E string, fret 1, and open. So we've got this so far. C string, 0, 0, 2, 0, E string, 1, 0. Then it's pretty much the same idea, C string, 0, 0, 2, 0, but this time on the E string we're going to play 3 with finger 3, 1 with finger 1. Then you've got the happy, which is open C again, C, C. Then we go to the A string, the string closest to the floor, 3, 0, next string, which is the E string, 1, 0, then the C string, fret 2. So let me show you that little rundown again. So it's 2 notes on the A string, 3, 0, 2 notes on the next string, 1, 0, and then on the C string, fret 2. Then we go right back to the A string, fret 1, play it twice, open string, to the E string, fret 1, fret 3, fret 1. And then if you want to add that little and many more at the end, it's on the C string, 0, 2, back to 0, and then I did a slide from 2 into 3, and then something called tremolo picking, which is just alternate picking very fast. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you get this. 0, 2, 0, slide. If you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel and also check out some of my other videos. Thank you very much.